Light Runner is the world's most extensive fiber optic benchtop laboratory with WDM. A Light Runner transcends the universal syllabus to leverage students' knowledge to up-to-date technology. Light Runner satisfies almost all the requirements of a fiber optic communication lab.
This has 6 pigtail lasers, out of which 4 are DFP lasers in C-band at 1510, 1530, 1550 and 1570 nanometer, each with 1 milliwatt output. Others are 20 milliwatt 660 nanometer laser and 80 milliwatt 980 nanometer laser. It also has 4 infrared in-gas pin detectors and 1 visible silicon detector, followed by transimpedance stages. Besides, 1 more in-gas detector is provided, having an adjustable gain facility.
Light Runner is developed in association with IIT Delhi. A user-friendly PC-based software for controlling Light Runner.
Light Runner software can be opened by clicking an icon on the desktop and it appears on the screen. This gives you a list of experiments on the left side, as you can see here. Once you click on the name of the experiment, you will come across the corresponding introduction, aim, block diagram, observation tables appearing on right hand side. Digital power control is using front-end software on notebook. An external knob on front panel gives options of manual control. Except 980 nanometer pump laser, all lasers can be modulated with frequency from 0 to 2.5 MHz, and even duty cycle of modulation can be changed from 10% to 90%.
Light Runner complies with modern fiber optic telecommunication standards.
4-channel optical WDM mux and DMUX, 3-port circulator, 50-50 splitter or coupler, 980 by 1550 WDM coupler, variable optical attenuator, fiber Bragg rating and erbium doped fiber.
Rigorous quantitative measurements can be performed with Light Runner, unlike other solutions which can only be used to see the demonstration of experiments. Light Runner is not only meant for students but also for teachers who can explain the subject more effectively. Light Runner is a stand-alone system which requires no external components to complete the experiments.
All accessories required are provided with it. Optical power meter is useful for absolute optical power measurements at multiple wavelengths. Multimeter is needed for laser diode current and its monitor diode current measurements. LCD monitor, which is an add-on to the notebook PC, is for a clearer vision of the software controls. Optical patch codes are for optical interconnections. In addition, Light Runner comes along with a comprehensive manual. To that end, we are providing 3 different spools of telecommunication grade single mode silica fiber of length 500 meter, 1 kilometer and 2 kilometers.
Though we highlight 16 important experiments with supporting manual, one can perform 40-odd experiments using the components given in Light Runner. All components of Light Runner are accessible separately through its front panel and hence can be used as a part of another experimental setup.
Using the fiber patch codes provided, you can connect them with external components in the way you like. This means Light Runner's individual components can be used independently without disturbing the performance.
Light Runner ensues from a perfect blend of 30 years of extensive teaching at IIT Delhi and 15 years of industrial expertise of fiber optica promoters. 24/7 by 365 support available. Our Light Runner panel also provides support in designing the syllabus at your college. Training to teachers is at nominal fee, warranty of 1 year, and software upgradation is free for 1 year.
On behalf of Fiber Optica Technologies Private Limited, I thank everybody. Namaste.